Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cards Music Rock. So today I am going to start with the basics of SolidWorks. So I will start from basics, right from the basics to advanced. So here you can see it's a template of SolidWorks 2000 version 2018. So here you can see there are some parts which has been already made by me. This is quarter, this is stem, this is screw, this is bush case hardened, and this is, can you guess? This is an hook. Hook, it is generally used in cranes to pick heavy loads or objects. So let's start with the first session. So how to start? So go here, the menu bar, go to file, new. So here they have displayed three options. Part. What is a part? Part is basically a 3D representation of a single design component. This is an assembly. Assembly is a 3D arrangement of parts or and other assemblies. This is drawing, a 2D engineering drawing which you normally do in your second semester. So SolidWorks is basically a process, a conversion of 2D objects into 3D like an hologram. Okay, let's start with the part. So my each session will be of 10 minutes. So it should come. Till then I can explain you the units which has to be fixed, which is fixed in SolidWorks when you are making any object. That is, the units should be in mmgs. So let's start. So whenever you have to start with an object, first you have to select an plane like front plane, top plane, right plane. So let's go with front plane. So here I click the front plane. So here there are four options being displayed: sketch, show, zoom to selection, and normal to. So let's go with sketch. Here you can see the axis. It's the representation of y-axis and x-axis, that is they are coordinates, ordinate and abscissa. So like you can see here, there are many options. Smart dimension, to make an object there is a line, sketches a line, circle sketches a circle, select the center of the circle, then drag to set its radius or diameter. This is a spline, sketches a spline, click to add spline, points to shape the curve, shaping a curve, it is used for shaping a curve. This is corner rectangle, this is 3 point arc, this is ellipse, this is straight slot, this is polygon. You will get to know. So here we start with basic, that is circle. Yeah, I click. So they have instructed you that while drawing any circle, like sketching a circle, select the center of the circle. So here you can select you can select center anywhere in this front plane. So I select here. I have drawn a circle. So this circle is of random dimension. So to give it a defined dimension, you select the smart dimension, select the circumference of circle, click anywhere and set its diameter. So I want its diameter to be 40, so I keep it as 40. Okay, so now you have to switch between futures and sketch. Like you have to use this throughout your SolidWorks course. So here from sketch I will switch to futures. So here you can see many options: extruded boss base, revolved boss base, swept boss base. So to convert any 2D representation into 3D representation, you have to click on extruded boss base. I repeat, to convert any 2D representation like any 2D figure into a 3D holographic object, you have to click on extruded boss base. So here I go with extruded boss base. I select its length to be 40 again. Other options I will explain you as many sessions go on. So I think I've selected. Now click. Yes. So right click, and here you will see 3D cylinder. Suppose you want to make any other circle on the same cylinder, you can select any one of the base. So click on any base, click on any base. Here there are many options: edit future, edit sketch, open drawing, suppress, roll back. So I think control. Ah, sorry. So you have to select any base, go to edit sketch, sorry, not edit sketch, sketch. So select another circle, select a center, drag it towards the circumference of the cylinder, go to futures. Now here you can see there are more options being shown: extruded cut, revolved cut. Now you have to do extruded cut. What is extruded cut? Extruded cut is a deep cut which you want to do in a cylinder, like in your water bottle. There is a deep hole so that you can fill the water into the bottle. So here I click it. Okay, right click. So here you can see finally I have made it. Eureka. So guys, if you like this session, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. Let's see you in the next session.